Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to access USB drive on Mac. So whenever you put a USB or a hard drive, an external hard disk on MacBook, you are going to see the logo of that hard drive, hard disk or USB right here. Just like, a logo of this folder, you're going to see a logo of a hard drive. And whenever you're going to open it, for example, if I've opened it, then I'm going to see the hard drive right here in the side as well. So if, for instance, if you're not able to see the hard drive either here on the sidebar or if you don't see the logo, in that case, what you need to do, you have to change the port of your USB or your hard drive and try to, insert it in another port, try to clean it, try to make sure it's clean and there's no hurdle. I'm sure it's going to work. But if it still does not work, then what you can do, you can always go to disk utility. And whenever you go here to disk utility, you can always check, the condition of that hard drive or USB port. Right now, I don't have a USB port connected to my MacBook, so you're not going to see anything. But if I had a USB, then you would have seen another sidebar option with the name of my hard drive right here. And the features were going to be just like this. It was going to show how much data is used and how much data is free. And I can, do a full state check on it, and I can do partitions. I can even erase and format it. So, going here and coming here to disk utility would have solved your problem. But if you have connected your USB or hard drive, and if it's showing here, the logo is right here, but if it's not showing here on the sidebars, then what you have to do, you have to click on Finder, Settings, and then you have to click Sidebar, and then you have to come down and check, make sure that you have checked the external disk, because it's very important. If it's unchecked, then I'm sure you're not going to see your hard drive. So I hope this video was informative. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.